Hey guys, welcome to my channel One Step. So in this video I'm going to show you how to make 1 point perspective of a room. So let's get started. To start with, just draw a horizon line on the middle of the page. Now draw a rectangle like this. Now mark the vanishing point on the horizon line, and in the center of this rectangle, the vanishing point is the key element of this whole 1 point perspective drawing, as this is the point where all our diagonal lines are going to start, vanish or meet. Now from this vanishing point, through all the four corners of this rectangle, draw a diagonal line. So this portion is going to be our ceiling and this portion is going to be our flooring, while these two sides are the side wall and this rectangle is the back wall of the room. Now I'm making this room as a bedroom, so let's start making furniture on this. First I'm making a bed. To start with bed, just draw two diagonal lines from the vanishing point. For the length of the bed. Now draw a horizontal line to close this. Now draw two vertical lines to give the bed height. Now again draw the diagonal lines for the upper portion. Then draw a horizontal line to close it. Now erase the unwanted lines. As you can see that the basic structure of the bed is ready. Now I am starting with side tables, so repeating the same steps. Repeating same steps on both the side. As you can see that the side table and the basic structure of the bed and side table is ready. Now I'm going to draw a wardrobe over here. So draw a diagonal line to mark the length from the vanishing point. And then horizontal line for the width. Then diagonal line and then close it with horizontal line. Now let's mark the height by drawing vertical line and then closing it with diagonal line. Draw another. Let's now erase the unwanted lines. So as you can see that the basic of wardrobe is ready. Now I'm making a window over here. To draw window, just draw two diagonal lines to mark the length. And draw two vertical lines to mark the height. Now I'm adding a bar over here. For curtains. Let's give window some thickness. Now over here I'm drawing a table. Draw a diagonal line. Draw a horizontal line for the width. Connect it. And let's draw the legs. Now as you can see that the basic is ready. Now let's move on to the flooring, and then afterwards we will start with ceiling, and then we will start detailing it. For flooring, draw a series of diagonal lines from the vanishing point. Now let's move to the ceiling. For ceiling, I'm taking a drop because I'm drawing a false ceiling over here. Just draw it like we have draw the box, that is the back wall and this two side lines. Now I am giving a wooden bar over here. As you can see that the false ceiling, that is the wooden bar, are ready and the basic structure is ready. So let's now add details in the drawing. Starting with bed, let's start making the headboard of the bed. Let's add mattress. Now let's erase the unwanted lines. Now I'm starting inking it. Now the drawing is ready. Now I'm using the lines, the unwanted lines. So guys, the drawing is ready. So I hope you learned something from here. So if you like this video, do give it a like, comment, and do subscribe to my channel, and have a great day everyone.